my name's Amanda Fryer-Harris and I'm owner of Body Core Pilates in Hoyley, Wirral. I established Body Core Pilates in 2008 and I was out there in the community. Before then I'd just been teaching within the fitness clubs. I worked in DW and Fitness First and sort of gained all my knowledge from there. Started teaching in around 1997, it actually was, qualified in 96, trained in Pilates in 2001. So what I've decided to do, and you know, a lot of people can't get to classes and a lot of people are stuck in with the kids or just for some reasons, you know, we can't get out. And I see over and over and over and over again people doing the plank wrong, just heavy into it and not using the muscles that they should be using. So I thought I would create this little program to just take you through so many steps of how to do the perfect plank, not just coming straight into it, but just allowing you to connect with the move, learn what the move is. Because I mean, to be honest, Joseph Pilates probably wouldn't even know what a plank was. That's in the name, plank. Within Pilates, we call it, well, it's full leg pull prone and we do leg raises. So let's call it a full leg pull prone prep. It's a great strength exercise. It is one which is done by so many people and so many PTs teach it as well. But I want you to be able to do it perfectly. So it's just a very short program. You'll practice and practice, and trust me, by the way you practice and the way this little sort of workshop is, you won't forget how to do it. The muscles will adapt. The brain will start to really connect with that muscle memory, or should I say, movement, body movement, so you won't forget. It's worth just spending an extra little bit of time practicing, and just think about this all over body strength. A plank is not just for the front of the body, it's for the whole body. It works everywhere. So I hope you enjoy the little program. I've put so many videos together and you will get a video every other day. If you feel it's a bit too soon to move on a step, then you know it can last as long as you want. Keep hold of the emails, keep hold of the links. Anyway, so I'm signing off from Amanda Fryer-Harris and owner of Body Core Pilates Studio in Wirral. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the course. Bye now.